Carbon is the fourth most abundant element in our universe and is absolutely essential to life on our planet. If you have ever seen a movie that is based on aliens or the like, such as Star Trek, the crew will often ask if there's a carbon-based life form on the planet. The term carbon-based is describing the fact that all life forms on Earth contain carbon as a building block. The carbon cycle refers to the movement of carbon in its many forms between our biosphere, which is life, the geosphere, which is rocks, minerals, and soil, the atmosphere, our air, and the hydrosphere, which is water and glaciers. The global carbon cycle, one of the major biogeochemical cycles, can be divided into two main groups, which is geological and biological components. The geological carbon cycle operates in timescales of millions of years, whereas the biological one can go from days to thousands of years. The geological component of the carbon cycle is the interaction of the rock cycle, which includes processes of weathering, precipitation, mineral dissolving, buried elements, and earthquake subduction, and so forth. Biology plays an important role in the movement of carbon between the land, ocean, atmosphere, through the processes of photosynthesis and respiration. When doing a lab with soil and a few simple pieces of lab equipment, you can determine the amount of carbon dioxide that bacteria create when breaking down the organic matter in the soil. If you increase the temperature, nutrients, or organic matter in the soil, the bacteria will continue to create more carbon dioxide, which in turn supports a greater plant growth further on down the carbon cycle. More plants mean more organic matter in the soil, which in turn causes more bacterial growth. All aspects of the carbon cycle are interrelated and need to be considered when going about our daily activities. Since the Industrial Revolution about 150 years ago, human activities, which include the burning of more fossil fuels and deforestation, have increased, and both have caused a long-term rise in atmospheric carbon dioxide. Burning oil and coal releases carbon into the air. This causes an imbalance in carbon dioxide, and in addition, we clear forest, we reduce the ability of photosynthesis to remove it, also resulting in an increase in both. Because of these human activities, carbon dioxide concentrations are higher today than they've been in a very long time. How can we help this problem? Because carbon dioxide is in the atmosphere, it causes heat to hold in the atmosphere. This is called a greenhouse gas. We need to carefully review our activities. We need to consider what we can do to change. Taking the carbon footprint survey will help you to understand where you need to reflect and make those changes, and to help the planet by reducing your carbon emissions.